Main nutrients to focus in cancer patient are protein, carbohydrates, fats, water, vitamins and minerals. Protein used for muscle strengthening and maintenance for resisting infections. Carbohydrate promote sustainable energy. Mono and polyunsaturated fats promote heart health and cholesterol management. Water to maintain homeostasis and replenish cellular health. Vitamin and mineral to promote energy. Vitamin A, C and E contains antioxidant to combat cancer cell. One serving of chicken congee contain 320.8 kilocalorie, 34.1 gram of carbon, 14 gram of protein, 3.9 gram of fat and 1.3 gram of fiber. Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to cook chicken congee for cancer patients. First, we need 30 grams of carrot, 30 grams of broccoli, 200 grams of rice, 400 grams of chicken, 5 cherry tomatoes, 5 grams of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, sliced up and minced respectively, half of a lemon. First, blanch the carrot and broccoli in boiling water for 5 minutes. Then, drain the water and let cool in cold water. Chicken is boiled until soft. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Remove the chicken from the broth. Tear the chicken into pieces. Simmer the rice in the broth for 45 minutes. Stir regularly. Add more water to adjust consistency according to preference. Add minced garlic and sliced ginger. Add the broccoli and carrot. Put the congee in a bowl. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Arrange the chicken and cherry tomato on top. Enjoy. To increase the calorie and the protein content of the congee, 2 servings of low-fat milk can be added after the congee is done. See you next time.